Welcome to the Code with Reza channel. My name is Reza and I'm here to teach you Python. Today I want to show you how to write a code to do Ascii art in Python. Let's go to the code. We first need to install py-figlet. So we say pip install py-figlet. I already have it, so nothing happens, but it installs this one for you. After that, it's very easy. We import the py-figlet, and then we say a text equals input enter text to convert to Ascii art. So in here, input gets input from the user and put it into the text. Next, we say Ascii art is py-figlet dot figlet format the text that the user has entered. So we just easily pass this text to this method and then we print it. That's all. Print Ascii art. Let's test it. It's really interesting that with one line of code you can have something like this in Python. So let's go to the code, let's clear this, and let's say python 3 main.py, and I enter my name, Reza Ahmadi. Look at this, Reza Ahmadi. You can copy and paste it and put it into any file that you might need to work with. If you're finding this video helpful or interesting, it's a good time to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with my latest content. I'm going to show you lots of amazing stuff here in this channel. Thank you for watching and see you later.